guys, this is Dylan from Maple Glass Printing, and today I'm going to show you the Vitraglass. The Vitraglass is a machine that is used to fabricate filament for 3D printing glass. Filament can also be used for research purposes and glass art projects. To start, you prepare your glass by cleaning it and cutting it. Then you load it into a crucible. We use a cheap terracotta flower pot from our local hardware store. And you start the firing schedule. Once the firing schedule is complete, the glass is at an appropriate viscosity to start pulling the filament into the automatic pulling system. If desired, you can control your filament diameter by altering the pulling speed on the control box. Finally, you cut your filament to your desired length. Now you can load your filament into the Maple 3 and start 3D printing in glass.